Hello everyone, how are you? We know it's very difficult to choose the best product for a home according to our budget. Don't worry, to make your purchase decision easier and save you time, in today's video we picked only the finest items for you. We make this list based on features, price and actual user reviews. So if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you're buying the best product. Please check the description below for product links and updated prices. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So, let's go for top 5.
Our first pick is OXO Grips Microfiber Hand Duster. A flexible wand-style duster, such as this one from OXO, is ideal for greater maneuverability. Though the handle is quite short, you'll need a stool to clean out of reach areas like your ceiling fan and upper cabinets. The duster itself is 18 inches long and malleable enough to fit between furniture. Of course, it can also handle larger surface areas such as baseboards and bookshelves with ease. The head detaches from the handle and is machine washable. Cleaning is less of a chore with the OXO Good Grips Microfiber Hand Duster. This double-sided duster features a flexible head with long, fluffy fibers that get into nooks and crannies and can remove dust from objects with a light touch. The duster's slim profile can fit in tight spaces and the generous head covers a large surface with every swipe. To clean the microfiber head, simply unsnap it from the duster. For best results, wash in cold water without fabric softener or bleach and dry without using heat. Number 2 in this best home duster list is OCedar Dual Action Microfiber Sweeper. The OCedar hardwood floor and more baseboards is the superior hard floor cleaning tool. Made with microfiber and an ultra-dense chenille, this mop picks up and traps dust, dirt, and hair better than traditional cotton mops. Features a flexible mop head that sweeps floors and baseboards in one easy motion. It can be used as a wet and dry mop whether you need to mop, scrub, or dust floors. Microfiber mop head replacements are eco-friendly and machine washable, compared to disposable mop heads. This mop is hardwood floor friendly. The dry mop is able to be used on multiple hard surfaces, such as tile, laminate, vinyl, marble, glass, textured ceilings, drywall, and more. The multi-purpose mop head is safe for all hard floor surfaces, including wood, laminate, linoleum and tile. Chenille and microfiber work together to effectively pick up and remove dirt, dust and hair. Reusable and machine washable mop head saves time and money. For details, let's watch more. Our third choice is Ostrich Feather Duster. The interface between the ostrich feather and the wooden handle is a one-piece interface, which increases the contact area between the feather and the handle, making the feather and the wooden handle more firmly connected and more difficult to fall off. In addition, we set the weight, size, appearance and color of the feather of each duster, and strive to provide customers with high standard and high quality ostrich feather duster. High-quality feathers also need to be treated with high-temperature fumigation, deodorization, sterilization, and deworming, and strive to provide customers with more satisfactory dusters for cleaning. Ostrich feathers have millions of separate, wispy filaments that collect and hold the dust rather than just move it about. With magnetic feather duster, and leave no electrostatic charge so metal, glass and plastic stay dust-free longer. Suitable for home office car and collection cleaning. Compared to other bird feathers, ostrich feathers have long barbs that are perfect for picking up dust. Good for sensitive valuable things, ostrich feather dusters are particularly lightweight, soft and gentle on delicate surfaces scratch-free, which is why they are especially well suited for dusting delicate items or smaller pieces that tend to topple over easily. Best duster for furniture home. Fourth pick in this best home duster list is Microfiber Wholesale Floor Mop. This is truly designed for professional cleaners. Homeowners have found this to be the perfect floor cleaning solution for daily and weekly cleaning. Pros demand products that get the job done quickly and efficiently. This kit is everything you need for perfect professionally clean floors. Remove dust, pet hair, and dirt, and debris from your floors with the Mojave Dust Mop, then follow up with the premium wet mop pads for a deeper pro clean. Simply secure the wet mop pads to the bottom of the frame, adjust and lock the handle in place to match your height, and you're ready to get the cleanest floors. Easily breeze through the most challenging corners, nooks and crannies of your home. Then make quick work of open floor areas with our 18 inches professional mop pads. The commercial mop maneuvers with a full 360 swivel so you can mop under furniture and other hard to reach areas. Works efficiently for dry or wet mopping on all hard surface flooring types including hardwood, tile, laminate, vinyl, stone, concrete, and more. We've even included one microfiber cloth, so you can spot treat those really stubborn spots. This professional microfiber mop kit packs a ton of floor cleaning power. For details, let's watch more. Our fifth and last choice is Oxota Microfiber Duster. This duster kit includes one bendable microfiber duster head, one chenille duster head, one crevice brush and spider web brush. Microfiber's electrostatic effect has a stronger adsorption for dust, which can help you quickly and easily clean the dust on the surface or gaps of objects. Very suitable for cleaning furniture, ceilings, ceiling fans, window blinds, cobwebs, cars. The duster with extension pole can be extended from 30 to 100 inches. No need to risk climbing a ladder to clean up the dust in the high area. That can meet all your cleaning needs. The head of the microfiber duster is so flexible which can be bent to any angle, cleaning all kinds of dead angles and hard to reach areas. And we also install a unique scratch-resistant soft rubber tip at the top to ensure you can clean with complete peace of mind. Easy to wash and detach. Just screw the head off the telescopic handle, hand wash the duster with warm or low heat water. Rotate it to fluffy, place in ventilated place to dry.